All right, we are in Westfield today. It's 285 Valley View Drive in Westfield. We're just down the road from the ranch near the Southwick border. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. This place is all about location. We have a big corner lot here, a great neighborhood. Steph is inside waiting for us. Let's go on in, have her show us around this 2-bedroom home. You're gonna think it's great. Come on in. Steph, here we are.
Hi.
How's it going? All right, we are here. We're starting in the kitchen.
We're starting in the kitchen, totally updated. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, totally awesome lot, great location, really great property throughout. So
Awesome.
let's go take a look around.
All right, let's start with the
oh yeah,
three-season porch.
3-season sunroom here.
Wow, look at the size of this 3-season porch.
It's totally awesome out there for entertaining. The charming kitchen boasts modern updates, awesome quartz counters.
All right here off the kitchen, we have the dining room, which leads right into the living room.
With wood-burning fireplace.
The renovations here are great, and this house sits on an enormous corner lot. I just love the location. Off the living room, we have our hallway here with 1 bedroom on the right, another on the left, and the full bath right here in the center.
The bathroom's fully renovated with awesome modern updates. Don't forget about the 1-car garage.
All right, thanks Steph for showing us around. Like I said at the beginning of this tour, this is all about location. You have a really great lot here right near the border of Southwick in Westfield. Come check this place out. You want a private viewing? Steph's information is up on the screen. Give her a buzz. If you're looking to get pre-approved, this place is in a great price point for first-time home buyers. Give me a buzz. Let's see what programs you might qualify for. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy. This has been your local look. We're out of here.